Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today we are talking about JBL Charge 5. If you haven't seen this, it was released last year in April. So if you haven't unboxed or you haven't seen any unboxing of such JBL, which is the latest, previously we had Charge 4, so now we are on Charge 5. So I want us to do unboxing for this so that we can see the best features, or if you want to advance or if you want to change. Now this is your chance. Please go ahead and watch this video until the end so that you can go ahead and go and buy this one, which is Charge 5. So let's go ahead and do unboxing for this one. I've already broken the seal because I wanted to check and know the features before I give you the best review. So let's do unboxing, guys. So this is it. It comes like this. As you can see on the top, it has Charge 5. Yeah, so in this case we have, let's check, we see what we have inside here. So on this we have the manual user guides. If you haven't used JBL before, you can use this one and check. Yeah, then inside this again we have a cable. This cable is type C because these are the latest. Now they come with type C cable. As you can see, it's very long cable, which is very nice. So let's go ahead. So on the box we have the features written there, which one is let's check here. We have 20 hours of playtime, so that is very good, and it's a IP67 waterproof. If you want to go and maybe you're outside there camping and it happens to rain, you don't have to worry about it. Then it also works as a power bank. If you want to charge your phone and it charges very fast, the power is too big. It is too big to charge your phone several times. So you don't have to worry about anything like charging if you're using this JBL. Like it has been improved. Then it has also JBL party boost. I'll show you that one. Let's go ahead and we see what is inside this. So as you can see, it comes inside when it's sealed. So this is it. It's a JBL Charge 5. As you can see, guys, it's really very awesome. It looks very awesome, though it looks a little small compared to Charge 4. So if you check here, this is the way you use to charge. As you see, it's a waterproof. It has this seal that covers this port so that the water doesn't go inside. It's also dust proof. The dust doesn't go inside this one. Then if you see here on the top, this is the party boost button. This is the Bluetooth, like previously on all other JBL types. The play and the volume buttons here, and this switch on button. Yeah, so guys, this one is very heavy. It's very heavy. That means the battery is too big, and the system has been a little bit improved compared to our previous one. So let's go ahead and we test it. We check the sound, then we know. So here it has type C cable. Type C, it is the type C to charge. This is the cable for type C. Yeah, then in the box we don't have anything else in the box. It's only this one. It's only the Charge 5 speaker. Yeah, so let's check the sound. So we use this power on button, switch it on. Switching it on, you have to press this Bluetooth button so that you can discover it. So let's go ahead on the phone, we check. So guys, that is the JBL Charge 5. If you're interested in camping and you know you want a speaker that can assist you for quite long time on concerning the battery and the charging stuff and the sound, Charge 5 will definitely work for you guys. So that is the review I can give you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.